Hey, what is going on? So here's another dehumidifier. This is another curb find. This is a Home brand, whatever that is. And I just got done replacing the cord on this. My neighborhood cord cutter got to it before me. The scrapper guy near me who cuts the cords off everything, so had a whole pile there. I found one with a strainer leaf that fit, so looking pretty good there. Here's your specs. I don't know who makes this. I'm sure it's not, you know, Home is just probably a name they put on it. 30 pint. It's fairly new. Made in 2017. This one's all complete. Usually this stuff's missing. I got the cap for the hose connector. I think this goes around the hose. And then you got bracket here for the cord. Filter. Filter's kind of nice. I mean, goes in and out pretty easy. So yeah, nothing special. It's, you know, a smaller dehumidifier. Anyway, they're pretty good for resale, dehumidifiers. I did turn this on before just briefly to make sure my new cord worked. So let's turn it on. The compressor just came on. 72. Alright, I'm on continuous. Yeah, there's... So that's the that's the humidity that it's set at, and the 72 is supposedly the outside humidity, which I don't think it is. I don't think that's accurate. It's probably more like 50% out here. So I don't know why it says 71. Anyway, let's see if it works. The compressor did come on. It's very quiet. It's just getting cold. Anyway, let's look. I'm gonna let this run for a minute. We'll come back to it. I know that this is dropping a little now. This is 67. It can't be much more than 50% out here. 66. Yeah, it's dropping now. So maybe that works. Alright, I'm gonna come back to this. We're gonna let it run a minute. Alright, so I've had this running about 10 minutes, and it just started to drip water. So yeah, this definitely works. A little bit of dust on there, but it's fairly clean. So my phone says the humidity here is 58, and this is reading 64. Or 65. 65. It's hard to read that out here. So that's pretty close. You know, these things aren't super accurate, but that's pretty good. So yeah, it definitely works. Coil's cold. Cold at the top and the bottom. It's definitely working good. It's fairly cool here today. The phone says it's 68, but it feels colder than that. And I'm in the shade here. If it was warmer, I think it would have dripped the water quicker than that, but yeah, this works good. Works fine. Okay, I just added water to the bucket just to make sure the switch works, and a full bucket switch, and it does work. So that's good. Takes about 1 gallon. This isn't a bad dehumidifier, even though it's a newer one. I personally prefer older dehumidifiers. They're a lot more reliable. But this is pretty good, I gotta say. It's very quiet. It's very quiet. There's a little bit of wind noise. Your air goes out the side here. Yeah, this works really well. The window's got like a little float inside of it, so you can see the water level. Yeah, so it's a pretty good dehumidifier. Very, very quiet. There's really no compressor noise. Very little. So this is, I would recommend this. Certainly a lot better than those General Electric ones. So there you go. See you next time.